TFNN. Headline News Update.
Hi everyone, Basil Chapman here on this 29th day of March, just about to wrap up the month, Monday. And we're looking at the Dow, down 65 at 33,007. A fantastic session on Friday. Why? Because if we were down, I would have said, that's going to make it really difficult to make all-time highs. With that big move, it broke out of its particular pattern. I'll talk about it in my show coming up, the Target Ignitions Hour. This is a Chapman falling axe or a declining channel or declining wedge formation, breaks out to the upside. There's a really good chance, this is what I've been talking about for at least a few weeks, that there's a chance that somehow, some way, we make it to highs in the Dow and the S&P. I'm not sure about the Qs and the IWM. But we try to get there, and we get to that leg D and then a peak D, and then we've got to be somewhat careful. All right. With that said, very good action. There was the futures were down very sharply. They came back. It actually was running positive. Now we're down, 37 points in the Dow. Look at the S&P. The S&P at this particular moment is down 17 at 39.56. Also, in fact, it was an all-time closing high, but not an all-time high. 39.83.37 was the high about two weeks ago. Friday's high was just under that. I suspect that somehow, and for the Dow, it will be leg C if there's a new high. For the S&P, it'll be leg C. I'll talk about that in my show coming up, the Target Ignitions Hour, why we're looking for potential peak Ds, 4 higher peaks. Let's go to the QQQ. QQQ is very weak. It's down 2.43. At 313.53. This is the failure pattern that I've been worrying about. IWM, same thing. Even though we're long, we're going to have to start making decisions here. 219.69 down 90 cents. It really needs to get to the 223, 225 area this week at some point. And now this is going to be very interesting. Look, crude oil is down 66 cents. Why? Because that huge super tanker, the container ship, finally is free. All right, that's important. We'll talk about the TLT because that's also important. The TLT bonds are down, yields up, and also we'll be looking at gold, which at this particular point is down sharp, down 27. Basil Chapman, Target Ignitions Hour coming up. Check out my opening